In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to check your iPad battery health. You just need to guys first of all go to your settings. So once you are in your setting guys, you have to scroll down and look for privacy and security. Just tap on it, and now since the iPad does not allow you to check your battery health, you can use this trick to check your battery health guys. Just open this analytic and improvement, and once you open it guys, make sure you have already enabled it, because it takes 1 day to generate your data or log file. And so just tap on this analytics data, and now you just need to open uh, the file with starting word analytics. As you can see, this is analytics, and just click open the analytic file with latest date or current date. So like I'm going to choose this one, or the recent date you can choose, and just copy this whole text guys. You can copy this whole text and just tap on this share button and just click on copy, and open any editor guys and paste it over there, and then search for maximum. You can open the not app as well, and just paste this text into that note or any app or editor, and just search for maximum capacity percentage, this word, and check what is the percentage showing in this data. You have to search for it, and so that is you basically guys going to be your iPad battery health. So yep. And if you want to check your or check it on your MacBook, you can also do that. If this method does not work for you, you can use iMazing or Coconut Battery app for your. If you have a MacBook, you can check your iPad battery health using these application, iMazing and Coconut Battery. I'll give you the link of these application in the description. You just need to download your these application on your MacBook and connect your iPad with your computer using USB cable, and then just follow the instruction given on the screen or given within the application to access the battery health information. Hope you like it guys. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.